How to fix Instagram error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram error on Android phone. First, open Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated. Play Store or App Store. Just update your Instagram and then try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now go to settings and then scroll down apps and then apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop, click permissions, give it all of those permissions here, all of those, and then click storage, clear cache, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, clear data, you will lose your accounts and you will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And if you have an iOS, just go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage, and click Instagram, and then just click offload, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.